1800 Zulu. Wind 310 degrees, 10 knots. Visibility more than 6 miles. Ceiling 4,000 broken. From 2300 Zulu. Wind 230 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility more than 6 miles. Few clouds at 4,000. Broadcast of 2100 Zulu METAR operation. Gander. Time 2100 Zulu. Wind 130 degrees, 14 knots. Gusting 23 knots. Visibility 20 miles. Ceiling 1,500 broken. Temperature 12. Dew point 10. Say John. Time 2100 Zulu. Wind 160 degrees, 12 knots. Visibility 3/8 of a mile. Runway 10. Visual range more than 6,000 feet, decreasing. Runway 16. Visual range 4,500 feet, variable more than 6,000 feet, decreasing. Light drizzle, fog. Vertical visibility 200 feet. Temperature 10. Dew point 10. Halifax. Time 2100 Zulu. Wind 270 degrees, 4 knots. Visibility 15 miles. 5,200 scattered.
0 degrees, 9 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 18. Dew point 12. QNH 1017. Low sig. Repeating, Frankfurt, Metroport. Frankfurt at 2120 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 200 degrees, 4 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 14. Dew point 11. QNH 1019. Low sig. This is Shannon VOLMET. Forecast. Ron Fiumicino. Valid from the 10th at 1800 until the 11th at 2400. Wind 310 degrees, 10 knots. Cav OK. Becoming between 2100 and 2300. Wind 050 degrees, 5 knots. Becoming between 1000 and 1200. Wind 280 degrees, 10 knots. Milan Malpensa. Forecast. Milan Malpensa. Valid from the 10th at 1800 until the 11th at 2400. Wind variable 6 knots. Cav OK. Tempo from 0100 until 0700. Visibility 1,200 meters. Fog patches. Net reports. Ron Fiumicino. Metroport. Ron Fiumicino at 2120 Zulu. Wind calm. Cav OK. Temperature 19. Dew point 17. QNH 1021. Low sig. Milan Malpensa. Metroport. Milan Malpensa at 21.
Hello, this is Dark Brandon. I'm here instead of the signal from that SDR because it contains some Beatle music. YouTube is pretty well funded by copyright trolls, and they blocked the video from Mach 7 radio. They have a real hard-on for music, but could care less about BBC4, which is also copyright protected. Let me say that again. YouTube is owned and pimped by the music industry and copyright trolls. This music on the SDR is no substitute for buying from the publisher. At the same time, I can't play talk radio all day and never get hit with a claim. Fuck this platform, a moron. Cory Doctorow was completely correct about big platforms destroying the quality of our internet experience. What Mach 7 was trying to tell us was how good the synchronous AM demodulator sounds. Not only that, you can also adjust the receiver passband. Use the J and K to fix the low side or high side. BBC Radio 4 on 198 sounds nice too, but there's digital data riding on the signal. That data makes synchronous AM sound a little jittery. Okay, that is all I have to say about that. Let us go back to the original video. As Mach 7 says, Alpha Mike Foxtrot, hang tough, and fuck the GOP.
Jacket where the fire is, and I grab his collar with my teeth and pull him away from the cardboard, and the cardboard is almost gone, and the tent is all flames. His mouth is open. He is probably